So I go on boo-boos. Mosquito are number one. When you check it out, it's a kettle name brand. Hey, yeah. Chat, what's up? You look as always. My man wants me when I'm ready. Remember when man wants when I'm ready. Yeah, you go sell a look backers. Yeah. The lady will give me the lady will give me the mosquito. Mosquito are number one. The lady will give me the mosquito bag and shoes. Thanks. You give me a blood clot fuck lipstick. When me I go lick a ball, they go so pan it. Yeah. Let me a rotten teeth in my mouth. Me a look. If you looking at my blood clot moment, I don't run a joke with certain things. Because I me shape, but I can't afford to walk with stinking mouth. If you looking at my mouth, me dear. If you looking at my mouth, because I see something like, I said, no. I think we have something rotten in it. With a good teeth. Yeah. The lady will give me the mosquito bag, thank you. And the mosquito shoes. And a dipstick here. That dips blood clot. So the one go recharge. Remember say, with the year, might as well go and rank. We have 2 stores we got to the dipstick here. Maybe your father say, I go over the something go look. But Angel one time, Angel didn't like me. I don't want to camp on vacation, you know. Angel still want to carry me out. Yeah, for true. One time I don't want like man. My good baby daddy. Love you for free, but most. Remember me. Oh, yeah. Yesterday Christmas did go on. And the people on the FYP start this morning. We had a few of them. On the FYPs. And me hear the sad lady in a blood clot foreign say, Akeem I look one up pan JX because Akeem go buy phone knowing that JX buy phone. Akeem never knows a JX buy phone. JX no buy the phone, Vani. I can't like it, I can't like Mr. God, I don't know, but I cannot like Ivany. I can't like her. I don't know why. I can't stand the blood clot girl. That's why sometimes when you talk about look on her, because what? You just come with things that make no sense. Ivany Jakes no buy the phone. Get nobody. A barber family by the phone game. Look like I'm birthday present. Jakes no buy the phone. You know, say the 2 old phone when me buy Jakes all long item I have used. Jakes no buy the phone. Jakes no buy the phone. That people buy the phone get the picnic. That's why I want phone come. So when Akeem give me them phone, Chantal well and glad for fear one. Chantal over excited for fear one. Our people buy the phone get Jakes. Jakes stop spend money. I fuck Jakes but use the money and buy. Jakes I buy blood clot for 400 toes get picnic. Sure. That's why I can't like her. I can't like her. You know why I can't like her? And utter everybody is on the net. I can't. Utter what everybody has said. When you say things too much, it pisses me off. I'm going to have a condone my spirit because I'm going to talk. Because it pisses me off. When other people say things, I just make it go on. You is a single pussy clot, mama. What did blood clot Oigi ice for his birthday? What did Oigi give ice for Christmas? Your son have a deadbeat dad like what I have a deadbeat dad for my kids. We can relate. Him not spend the money on them girl. You feel like him going to poke buy phone and him not have none. Girl, get a hold of yourself. And the only reason I'm answer you because two we are mad. I'm not answer no careless. I'm not answer any recti blood clot bait. I'm not answer recti bait. That's the only reason I'm not gonna diss you. I'm not gonna go along and tell you about your pussy. I'm not have time for that. I'm gonna talk facts. GX now buy a phone for himself. When me and GX them buy GX a Android and me buy GX a iPhone. And I him still I use. And one phone come. Is somebody buy the phone for his birthday. Chantal not get none. Oh, the person say the next time she gonna buy one for me. He should not get none. And when you have 2 kids and you buy one, give one, trust me, the next one will feel left out. So Akeem feel a gap there. Let the people them. So I gonna feel left out. My brother get iPhone for Christmas and me not get nothing. So I gonna feel left out. Him don't buy shit. Him a buy nothing. If him not, if when I call the phone, the piece of iPhone him up, and I saw him have time ear to ear. See, but hello, yeah, him not spend 100,000 to buy a phone. If him not buy it for himself and pick them, him not buy it for. You don't know who GX is. Up to now, GX only care about himself. I want pussy where I'm gonna yam. I want pussy where I want one girl I got suck him wood and some rum. And that's why I'm not like with Uno pan the net. I'm gonna tell you why I don't like them pan the net. Them see I know the truth. But it's true, them not like you, them always twist the opposite. Twist it the opposite and say it the wrong way. And you know when them twist back them mouth, when them and any day Ivany and Jakes fall out, you gonna hear with a different theory. I don't even want some can't tweet because what? I just know, so you just literally know the truth now, and true you not like me, you always a switch your mouth. Your mouth soon switch back, so the mouth switch by you, and you don't have no accountability. But not use, you know. Because I have to ask my friend, are you buy your son the phone? And don't buy shit. If him spend 70,000 upon him picking and one back the money, him now buy a phone for 100,000. Sorry, Osh. And that's why I'm for class you all the time. I will come out to GX, shut your mouth because you got shame. Shut your mouth because you got shame. It's the same like Vanny comments, it's the same like you see, always stay as a GX stay. Don't kind of business a blood clot care. When me and you will take up, when you will take up ice and go buy the world game, and me will take up Chantal and Barbara and go buy the world give them not do it. The two of you world in the same boat. Your life not far from me until me not sad like you. But the two we have two crosses before the one I look. The two we have two crosses before the one I look. It's only when I come on the net and cuss and class Jakes to see a result. You see him give you a result. Otherwise he don't care. So when I go talk, shut your mouth. You don't know nothing, you don't talk. Jakes not buy the phone, give a blood clot, Pitney, and family member buy it. Because if him not buy one for himself, I'm going to buy one give Pitney. 100,000 for iPhone. And everybody want the latest. Down in the teens. When at 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Nobody now use 12 again. Because 12 outdated. They might go down. 13, 14, 15, and 16. Because 17 out. But buy phone. Don't buy shit. Because if you buy the phone, alright, so for instance, you buy a phone for your son, buy 2 phones, you have 2 kids. I could never buy 1 phone. I could never buy 1 phone. Where is the one up? Akeem never for buy no phone give them Akeem never them father. You supposed to enjoy and take care of kids. What the fuck? Where is the one up? Let I say this. Cause when I click my live and have my viewership, I like to talk. It's Christmas. And Jakes wouldn't say him care when the self fuck, the roach them where my fuck. Rent at Airbnb, 1 2-bedroom, buy a Christmas tree, decorate it, cook some food. I make one of your roach them, put it, carry one of your roach them and put one of your roach them in a pyjama suit, put them in a pyjama suit, and put the present under the Christmas tree and make it look official. When you get your cousin them here and take 2 pictures and throw up on your page, what that do? Where are the Christmas presents? Shanta back down, she asked me down for the phone and said, tell you look bad. Every minute she call, I want to see the phone, I want to see the phone, I want to see. Where's the phone? I have a minute. Put on 2 clothes and take 2 pictures for the media that doesn't say shit. And that everything, I do all I want to miss out. Can't live for the media. And what people will say. And if I didn't have my kids, I would be the worstest individual. If I didn't have my kids in my position, I make them have a merry jolly Christmas. Because we eat yesterday and today, we are got buzzers later. Carry them out. When them don't eat, mommy, me boring. Mommy, me boring. You don't care. You just took them to take the picture to post for the net. And I know this. So when I hear people that talk, man, shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Me not argue with you. Cause me realize me not argue with you. For 2025, me not argue. 2026 coming, me not argue with you no. Shut your mouth. It's when they want to know things. It's when I got talk and a facts you got talk, then we got argue. Me not argue with you. Shut your mouth. You don't know shit. There's no one up here. When it come on to Akeem and Jakes, there's no one up. Jakes and them father, him supposed to entrust them HAPPY. No one up, no depend that. No one up, no there. When it come on to the kids, when I fight for who have rights and Akeem is not blood related to them none at all. Need one no one up, no there. Him the bin tell me say tickers. No buy no phone, cause I say I go buy it. My phone, I pin them 2 phones for Christmas. Him say tickers, no buy no phone for them, I will buy it. Just don't talk. Where is the one up? Jake's no buy no phone, give him them and somebody buy it. Right now, Jake, sorry, him give the little boy the phone, cause him don't have none. You chat too much. And it pisses me off. Because what they don't know, and they just chat. When they don't know, they just chat. Just sad. Jakes are running always. Jakes now running always. Jakes are always the same thing, Vanny. Like how owner look pan I see birthday. That's how Jakes not look pan the pity them. That is a Jakes that draw 100,000 and spend 100,000 with pound one. Jakes now draw 200,000 and spend 100,000 pound one. I spend another 100,000 pound one for Christmas. I'm not doing it. So sit down and think. Shut the fuck up. I'm not doing it. Me not ask guys, I tell you no. Him not doing it. The man that cater about fuck. Him not doing it. Like when him like for sure, make him show you the Christmas clothes and buy if you mute them. Like when him like show. Make him show you them. But I like to see them. Anything where you see get a sponsor. All the 2K them a smart by it. I mean them like nah spend. Me just know this man over the years. If I see this man like give one girl one money, him and a girl a fuck. Jackson let go and money so easy. And there's a Jakes give one girl one money, man a girl in a something. Jackson let go and money so easy. Jakes now got the bank and say, alright then. Me I buy 100,000 water clothes to that one there and 100,000 that water clothes to the next one. And buy 50,000 water boot for one and buy 50,000 water boot for one. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I mean, someone don't know what you think. Remember one of the time I did with Jake's chat. I made the one phone and just look at me and make me know say him not buy me the phone because him not have none. So me know Jake's not buy the phone because him don't have none. The two phone number Jakes I use is me, Rosalie, by them. Up to now. Up to now. The two phone number I use is me by them. Give him up to now. Him not spend the money buy nothing. I fuck him spend fee money and buy fuck. Shut him out if you don't know blood clot nothing, man, and move and go away. Move. Whenever one of people business and phone on a blood clot. Spoil. Poor tap strat. Yeah. Never I go down in the detail with you. Me not sorry, say me never live. Me not sorry, say at the time I never live now. If I get my two youth them. Yeah, because me just know. And the things that I know they don't. The things that I know they don't. Cause me know say him not go the responsibility when him have him not go face him own a responsibility. Because when him have money, him still behave like a bitch and need help. Him not manly enough. Don't make him trick you. Me know him. So me no know the whole I want to talk about this today because what? The one of them on social media, one like say, them did the man for 12 years, so them know him. I know the fucking individual. 12 years, me and them for me at 20. So you can't tell me nothing. How can you me and somebody from me at 20 till me at 32 or what you will left? And you are gonna compare, someone gonna compare, gonna say, no, nothing. No, nothing. If him was a man who all out him blood clot pitney, I would have opened my mouth. If him was a man who all out for mute, then I mean all out. Like, when I mean all out, I mean all out. But up my mouth. Kind of like them I want him. I would have up my mouth. Every day, all of the people move up my mouth. 900% of the time, they only hear me a liberty him over here. Because he's supposed to do the things that he's not doing. And I want him. So you don't know, you shut your fucking mouth. You don't know shit. Let me go back to my blood clot lip, the clip there. And send us them. Invalid them over here. The blood clot lead. Cause me just hate them, they just don't know and I just love chat. That's why them not a credibility in the car. Them no know nothing I love chat. Him come out there, oh, me buy snow cone and pop time machine. I know it now blood clot you. Chat what happen? It's my time.